Hi, I'm Emily Calandrelli, back in my home state of West Virginia, and we're here to explore the exploding field of robotics. Kids of all ages are competing in robotics competitions. In fact, NASA and WVU Tech recently hosted the state's first all-female robotics tournament, and I had the pleasure of speaking with some of those future female engineers. Today, we're at James Rumsey Technical Institute in Martinsburg, and if you are interested in robotics, which can lead to some incredible careers, you have got to check out this robotics program.
They work on VEX robots. We fly drones. They can get drone certificates in safety. We have FANUC robots, which are industrial arms. They can get certified on, which is incredible. And then our after-school teams, which are for high school, middle school, and elementary. We travel and compete in the winter. And they often make it to states. And then we've had teams qualify for Worlds, which has been huge.
Good afternoon. We are going to do a quick review of what we've talked about and learned this week, and then we're going to work on the pumpkin pickup project. Go ahead, Carla.
The distance sensor. The distance sensor was a great way for me to detect the pumpkins because the pumpkins are closer to the wall. It detects the pumpkin first.
They're getting a lot of mechanical building skills, a lot of hand tools, then coding, but there's a ton of teamwork involved, which is super important. Those soft skills like showing up to work on time, working with others, that's super important.
I want your opinion on this though. So my code, it comes like, you see where that black thing is? What it'll do is it's gonna come down, it's gonna center itself, and it's gonna turn and look this way at like an angle.
What made you guys want to take this robotics class?
It would definitely be like my passion for engineering. I've been coding since elementary school.
Wow.
And so this has always been my thing, my career, and I just want to get the best chance I can at like succeeding.
I love that. I love that you're exploring your career while in high school, right? What year are you?
I'm a junior this year.
Junior in high school. That's really impressive. I know you all took this robotics CTE class here. Do you have a career in mind?
So I go to school for aerospace engineering. I really wanted to work with like NASA. I want to be like an astronaut, basically. Like I just want to go to space. I want to go to Mars. I want to be like one of the first people on Mars.
What about you, Gracie?
I want to be the one type of engineer, which is why mine feels kind of like obscure, because I want to be the person that designs the facilities people live in on Mars.
Oh, cool. So what kind of messages would you give to younger girls who might be considering this class?
I think go for it. I know that it's intimidating, but it really does do something for you, and it makes you feel powerful knowing that like you have that knowledge and you are in that field, and like yes, there's nothing but guys, but like you'll find like girls like this and you can just stick with them and like just keep pushing through it, and it's great.
Robotics is a great CTE program of study, and we're seeing job growth in the state. One of the companies, Toyota, one of the largest manufacturing programs in the state, recently announced they are increasing production of electric car parts at the plant here in West Virginia. So we're seeing a need for robotics jobs in the state, and that's our goal in these CTE programs, to equip students with these skills so that they're ready to either continue their education, moving on to a 2-4-year college, or go straight into the workforce, depending on what field they go into.
So there you have it. If you're interested in almost any kind of engineering, from civil, mechanical, electrical, or aerospace and beyond, you have to check out your local career and technical education programs. To learn more about CTE classes available to you, talk to your school counselor and go to careertechwv.com. I'm Emily Calandrelli, and remember, the future is you.